Thanks for logging on to ABC15.com. I'm Nohelani Graf. I think valley highs today are going to be close to 109 in the Phoenix area, so not as warm as we have seen. A little bit of a break, but also keep in mind that is still very hot. So take action and make sure you hydrate early and often today. We are keeping a slight chance of storms in the forecast for today, but our greater chance to see thunderstorms and showers is actually Monday and Tuesday. We're going to bump that up to a 30% chance, and we would see, if we see storms, we would see them accompanied by blowing dust, strong winds, and then a chance of isolated showers. And those most likely would happen in the late afternoon hours around 5 o'clock and then into the evening hours. We're going to drop those storm chances down though by midweek and then start to pick them back up again to round out the work week. By the end of next weekend, our storm chances increase once again. Looking at futurecasts for today, I think around 2:30 this afternoon is when we'll see the first round of storms pop up, possibly over in the Show Low area. That's what the model is showing. As we move forward into the evening, right around midnight, in those overnight hours is when we see the chance for more storms to pop up. And we also notice that the cloud cover moves into the valley. And so we could see a stray sprinkle here or there. It's certainly possible. Moving futurecast forward into Monday afternoon is when we really see the chance of storms kick up in the Flagstaff area and then along the rim. And as we move forward further still, by early evening on Monday around 7 o'clock, you see those storm chances pop up in the Casa Grande area. You see parts of Phoenix also with possible thunderstorm chances, and then around the northern part of Arizona as well. Back to today, forecast highs for your Sunday. I think Flagstaff is going to top out at 83 degrees today, and those chances of thunderstorms could happen in the late afternoon and into those overnight hours. We're also looking at the same storm chances if you're heading to Sedona or Prescott. Prescott, you'll be at 93 today. Western part of our state, much warmer. Again, not as bad as we've seen, but still very hot. 110 in Lake Havasu. And on the east side of our state, 88 in Show Low for today, 105 in Safford. I think we'll top out at 109 today in the valley. Those overnight lows giving us a break, though. We're dropping into the mid to low 80s for parts of the southern half of our state. Up to the north, you're at least cooling down in Flagstaff to the mid 50s overnight, and same in the Grand Canyon area. You stay pretty warm in the overnight hours if you're on the western half of our state, though. East Valley forecast for today, we're looking at a high of 108 in Chandler and Tempe. Ahwatukee a little cooler at 107, a little cooler still in Paradise Valley at 106. Apache Junction looking to top out around 107 today. Notice also we're right on par with the average for this time of year, whether we're talking about highs or lows. And notice those overnight lows are going to stay in the mid 80s, so a little bit cooler, a little bit more of a break as you try to get to bed to start off your work week. 109 possible in Litchfield Park today, and also a warm one in Avondale and Goodyear. Deer Valley looking at 108, Glendale 107. Taking a look hour by hour, I think by noon is when we'll start to see those triple digits on this Sunday. By 3 o'clock this afternoon, we're going to be downright sizzling at around 108. We'll get a little warmer still after that. By 5 o'clock, we're still very hot, and we start to bring in those chances of isolated storms. Really just depends where you are in the southeastern part of the county of Maricopa County. Looking at that 7-day forecast, so we're going to keep in that 20% chance of showers for today. Monday and Tuesday are better chance to see some possible thunderstorms, lightning, and rain, so we're bumping that up to 30%. And then as we move through your work week, we're going to drop it down, balance it out for the middle of the week, and then kick those storm chances back up to round out your work week as our temperatures stay pretty moderate for the rest of the week.